homeopathic doctor and a healthcare worker. Right now she is doing a lot for the COVID patients, taking care of them, treating them, guiding them, and her as a person. Looking so pretty, lovely dress, nice color, blue suits you very well. So you all set for the interview today?
Oh yes, anytime. Dear.
Anytime. So let us begin with
an interview to my mentor is an amazing feeling.
Oh, that's very nice
We
of
really
you.
look up to you.
That's very nice of you. Okay, Neeta, as I just introduced Neeta to you, she is Dr. Neeta Gidwani and she is a homeopath. And right now she is very active with the COVID patients, helping them out and working with them and guiding them, giving them medications if required, treating them. So now let us know more about Neeta Gidwani as a person. Can we shoot some questions on you? Just a few questions.
Why not?
Okay. Can you tell me which is your favorite food?
Indo-Western fusion blends.
Any favorite restaurant?
Open air restaurants are my forte. I enjoy them, especially when they're close to the sea.
And who do you like for company, if you don't mind me asking you?
Oh, that case, family of course, friends definitely.
Okay. And if given a chance to go on a date, who would be your best date?
Tom Cruise or Hrithik Roshan?
Oh my God. That's a lovely one. So what would you like to wear when you go on a date?
So again, somewhere I love Indo-Western. So I would create a fusion which I would design myself in it.
Oh, how nice. You do
So
dream
very
and
nice.
have
That's very
fantasies.
good.
What is your best fantasy so far?
It's not a fantasy, but it's some connect when the little child in me holds that, there is some force, a nice big warm hand whenever I'm in any kind of distress.
Mhm.
My little finger just holds that big arm there, and you're protected and all is well.
So you are into religion, into God. You have a lot of faith in all this.
So yes, so my journey was earlier, जैसे कहते हैं वो भक्ति मार्ग. Now it is just a soul connect. Me as a soul with a big.
What about which is your favorite TV serial?
So I've been doing a lot of lockdown has given us a lot of lovely Netflix series. So yes, one is better than the other.
Okay, but you do get time to watch TV and all that.
So we have to sacrifice on our sleep.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
So the Mehtas were a fun series to be with. They were hilarious.
Suppose you were to travel somewhere, where would you like to go?
So my dream has been a New Zealand self-drive.
Oh, that's
So I
good.
would love to book my own car and take it through.
Oh, that's very good. Okay, and New Zealand, it's a lovely place, very beautiful place. I have a few relatives staying over there. They keep posting pictures. It's a very, very beautiful
It's
place.
very close to nature. So
Yes.
it's one of the virgin places to be.
Okay, and suppose there's a genie and he comes and tells you, okay, Dr. Neeta, tell me what would you like? I will grant you one wish. So what would that be?
So basically happiness to all our mankind.
Oh, how nice, how nice. Nothing for yourself?
I'll be a part of it. No? Everybody is living. When I'm living in somebody else's living. So I feel when all of us are, even if they're small little happy moments, we are all active.
So you are a very lovely soul, that means. At such a young age, you are such a lovely soul. Very high thoughts, very nice. And what sort of transport would you like to take in case you have to travel anywhere? Which is your favorite transport? A train, ship, by water, by sea, by air?
So I would like to take a two-seater convertible.
Okay.
Just open the roof.
Lot of
and there we
fantasies.
go.
I put you into a time machine and I say, okay, Dr. Neeta, जाओ, ऐश कर लो. कहाँ जाओगे आप? Which phase में जाना चाहोगे?
So I would like to go back in time to either Egypt or Mohenjo-daro
Oh.
and see how modern our ancestors were. They were
Okay.
definitely more modern at some stage than we are at the moment. So I would definitely like to go back there and see how they lived.
So you have traveled a lot so far?
Yes, I have traveled a lot.
Any favorite places, anything you would like to describe which has left an impact on you?
So yeah, so Eastern Europe was one of my favorite destinations. Egypt was one of my favorite places to be in.
Huh.
And I've been to Assam recently, and I can't tell you, it's so beautiful.
Okay.
In India also we have a little bit of the world everywhere. It's just simply beautiful.
Suppose you're going on a long drive. Which song would you like to sing? Suddenly you see the view, nature, and you're inspired, and you start humming. Which song comes? भोली सी आशा चांद तारों पे उड़ने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल है छोटा सा. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Lovely, lovely. Dr. Neeta, besides your profession and a housewife for your children, a mother, and a wife for your husband, what else other hobbies have you cultivated which are for yourself? Can you please share with us?
Yes. So I'm basically very creative. So there is a designing element in everything that I do. So I design my own clothes.
Oh.
I do a lot of paintings.
Okay.
If you look around, my house has been created. My clinic has been designed by me.
Okay.
So I never go by the brand. I
Okay.
always create and design my own things.
Okay.
And also I love to travel. I'm an avid traveler. I
Okay.
love to cook and create, but not
Cooking?
the routine foods.
I have seen your cooking.
I love to
Yes.
create new
Yes, I have seen your presentation.
I love
Yes.
to present well.
Yes, very
The
well.
creative aspect of me is alive in everything that I do.
Okay, that's very nice. Anything you would like to show us? To the viewers.
So, yeah, you can see my house, you can see my clinic.
Yes, it is a beautiful
Everything has been
house.
designed by
Lovely furniture, very soft and soothing colors like Neeta herself. It reflects her nature. Everything is very soft and soothing. I can see a lot of white background, so that shows her loving, peaceful nature. You can see all gold and white pastel shades. Beautiful like Neeta is. Soft shades. It shows her soft nature. Dr. Neeta's clinic. You can see all the desi dawaiyan.
No, not desi, German.
German dawaiyan. And this is Buddha. This is her clinic. Very nice, beautiful, lovely. Thank you so much. You can remember anything you remember, and it sends shivers down your spine even today.
Yeah, one of the most beautiful moments, I won't say romantic, but the most beautiful moments was my husband, me, and my two little babies
Okay.
in Nepal on a swimming pool right on the mountain top.
Oh,
And him with those two little bandars with
Huh.
their arms,
Huh.
it was so cute.
oh,
It was
that's
a very
nice. So you would like to go again and repeat it?
I don't repeat places because there's so much in the world to see. I would like to see another something.
Okay, Dr. Neeta, since I have limited time, so nice talking to you. But would you like to say something to everybody?
So yeah, what I would like to say is that my journey, what I realized was whenever I was in gratitude and whenever I forgave everybody, much more bliss happened to me.
Okay.
And these are the so that was the turning point in my life.
Okay.
Every time that I forgave people of my past, and every time I went into gratitude mode,
Mhm.
I just cried more.
Okay.
And I can't tell you what the experience is.
Mhm.
People call it a miracle. I feel there is a miracle waiting there for all of us.
All of us. True.
So we just have to touch base with our true selves
True.
and with the Lord above, and He is simply the way. There is no other.
Very nice. Very
It's
nice.
amazing. It's amazing.
And anything you would like to say, since we are all connected to each other through 50 Young, anything you would like to say regarding that? See, now I am doing this video for Asha Kulkarni ji, who is powerhouse of 50 Young.
I'll tell you why 51, though I'm one of the youngest of 50.
Yes, true.
But what I really connected with was
Yeah,
each woman was such a powerhouse of strength and inspiration.
correct. Yes.
Anita ji, the leader of our group, she's
Yes.
so humble and she lets each one of us grow with our talents. And
Correct.
one thing I loved about all of you was you guys gave each one of us an inspiration, an opportunity. You never rated or judged what the other younger women do.
Yeah.
Okay, you're rated with the mobile that you carry, you're rated with the car that you drive, you're
Correct.
rated with the position of your husband. And here I saw collectively all the
correct.
women out here, each one of them.
Each one.
Amita ji with her creative talent, with,
Okay.
and such a strength of woman that she is. I
Acha.
mean, you're one of my inspirations, dear.
Acha.
Because no matter what, you never say die, and you're always there to give everybody. I saw Anita ji never rating or judging anybody, just accepting everybody with love unconditionally.
Correct.
I saw Shiraz just so much of love and masti.
Correct.
I saw Manisha ji so much of that oomph, sexiness.
Really,
about her.
she's full of energy,
each
full of
one
energy.
You, I
Yeah.
saw Sunita Mata so humble and
Correct.
so sorted with herself.
Correct.
So each one of you has a role to play, and 50 Young is so complete with all you women, and it's just like one big
Huge family, extended
and
family.
It's
That is
so
true.
Asha Kulkarni ji is always willing to share her
Teaching, she is
experiences.
teaching us
And
so much.
One thing I learned from all of you is age is not a bar.
Not
you
a-
guys are so young at heart and such amazing, strong personalities.
Full of life, really.
You'll never say die, and I love
Correct.
that spirit.
That is true.
I really
So,
love that.
Neeta, it was very nice talking to you. Thank you so much. I wish I could take a longer interview. I wish I could just go on talking to you. It was so nice. Thanks a lot. God bless you. Keep happy, keep smiling always, and very happy to know you. Thank you
guys
so
for
much.
being such an
Yes.
So Amita ji, thank you for being one of my lovely mentors and such a big source of inspiration.
Thank you to me. Thank you so much, Neeta. Thank you for giving me time and sparing some time and talking about you. It's so nice knowing you.
It's
Thank
not
you so
sparing
much.
time, sweetie pie. It's my pleasure.
But this is your. But you're a doctor. You must be busy. There must be appointments. You have given me time from your daily schedule. So that's
So,
very nice of you.
One
That's a
big
bit-
tip about Corona:
Huh?
please don't fear it, guys. Please don't fear it. Fear is a killer.
Okay.
Just
true.
go and face it out there. Nothing will happen.
Okay.
Please, guys.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you.